Hello everyone, it's Michael Tan from Behind the Lava Lava, and today I'm going to try the world's hottest gummy bear, Lil Nitro. You're wondering why am I going to put myself into such torture, and I'm gonna tell you why. It's mainly because I'm bored. I have nothing better to do with my life. This is the world's, allegedly, the world's hottest gummy bear. So I'm supposed to chew this thing, fully chew this fiery bear, and see if you can handle the heat. Can you go up to a full 5 minutes without relief? I think I can. I'm Asian. So a friendly reminder, do not try this at home. Consume at your own risk. It's intended for adults only and should be kept out of reach of children and pets. I'm gonna make sure I don't touch the gummy bear just in case I decide to rub my eyes. And let's go. It's a little chewy. I can feel it already. I forgot to start the time. So full 5 minutes. Right off the top, I think it's a little bit hot. It's hotter than sriracha. I can feel the sweat in the back of my neck. I'm starting to sweat by. Oh God. If you ask me if I regret doing this, yes. It's very hot.
You better not pass out over there, dude.
My wife thinks I'll pass out, but I'm Asian. I can handle spicy. It's probably a minute already. It's hot, but not too hot. Ooh! Feel the pain. My eyes are starting to tear up. I have a water here just in case. But I'm going to complete the challenge. What can I talk about to keep my mind off the spiciness? Ooh! Huh? What's the topic? Okay, I'm going to talk about Behind the Lava Lava. So Behind the Lava Lava started May, oh no, yeah, I forgot the month. February 2022. Yeah. Started from a gaming lobby. Me and a group of friends were playing Call of Duty, and we decided to play. And I decided to bring up the idea of a podcast. And at that moment, I consider it one of the darkest corners or places of my life where I was contemplating a lot of thoughts, dark thoughts. And one of the nights, one of my friends, we stayed up very late and we started talking deep conversations. And from these deep conversations, I wanted to start a podcast and bring about topics of men's mental health, depression, anxiety, and topics considered taboo. So I brought the ideas to my group of core friends. We talked and we decided to pursue it, and we picked the name behind the lava lava. Lava lava in Samoan means cloth, and almost 5 minutes means cloth. The idea was to replace the word lava lava with what's behind the person, behind the lava lava. Basically, we are cut from the same cloth, but we all have a unique story to tell. So that started behind the lava lava. We evolved, we elevated, and became a platform to highlight veterans, the people and culture of the Pacifica, and small businesses. So while I'm talking, the hotness has slowly gone away. You can still feel the pain in your tongue, but it's not as harsh as when I first started. So behind the lava, we started a nonprofit. Officially started a nonprofit back in March called Behind Lava Lava Foundation. Our aim is to target help veterans and their families, their kids, their spouses, by giving out scholarships and grants that'll help them in business, education, athletics, and also you want to promote culture and arts. But one of our main events is the Pacific Island Veterans Day Dinner. The Pacific Island Veterans Day Dinner that we held last year, it was a huge success, and we want to bring it again, make it annually because of the support of the community, our sponsors. Shout out to American United Federal Credit Union, who is our title sponsor for this year. Shout out to our event sponsors, who is Pacifica Cater, owned by La Wolfgram. Shout out to Top Home. Shout out to Frontline Heroes, ran by Dan Taylor, Mark Moyes, and the team. And shout out to the VBRC, the Veteran Business Resource Center. The hotness has gone down to almost nothing now, but I still have the effects. I was expecting it to be the gummy bear to be a little hot, but now that it's worn off, quite disappointing. Very disappointing. I thought I was gonna die if I ate this, but that didn't happen. It's probably something hotter out there. It's probably my Asian genes that helped and saved me. But shout out to the Veteran Business Resource Center down in Sandy at the mill at Salt Lake Community College, headed by Becky Gertler and the crew. They help veterans who want to go into business. They are resources for entrepreneurs and veteran business owners. And there's also a conference that's happening May 10th. So if you want to attend this conference, make sure you purchase some tickets. There's going to be some hard hitters and a lot of businesses, which is good for networking. Do not look down on networking. Networking can help elevate your business, get you in contact with the right people to lift your business and connect you with a lot of resources. But I think it's been past 5 minutes. That's my experience with Lil Nitro, the world's hottest gummy bear. It's okay. It's okay. But shout out and take care. Be safe out there. And tofa soy fua. Catch you all next time.